welcome everybody. It is Bobby Two Pots Breaks on Saturday. It is July the 27th. We are breaking a Gold Rush 16 by 20 MLB photos. It's a 2-box break. Randomed up the 8 remaining boxes from a case we started last night. We got 1 and 3. We did pick a name, get 2 via random on the left. We've already randomized the extra names. Awarded the judge and cheater spots. Alphabetized the customers afterwards. Did give them a few minutes to trade. Nothing going down. No. Here we go. Box 1. Well, I'm hoping we pull something nice for you guys after taking that long to fill it there, folks. Alright, here we go. Bam. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Well, guys, that's going to be a big boy for us there. At least we pulled something nice. I don't know who the hell's got him. Going to be a Beckett Witness hologram and a Mill Creek Sports on that. Going to be the Ken Griffith Jr. folks. Beckett card. Bam. Sort of an odd photo. Dog piled on. Who the hell does have a Griffey? Wow. Well, dog, you wanted a big hit. There you go, bud. Bam. A very nice hit for dog, guys. Told you, man, this product is not treated as bad, man. I'm a little shocked this took us that long to fill. Telling you, the product's treated us pretty damn good. Big hit for dog on that one. Alright, guys, see what we're going to get out of our next box here. Bam, wow, well, that's a repeat from the last case also, guys. Not a monster hit, but going to be the Joey Bart. Beckett Witness Beckett a hologram, and card's going to be on the back there, guys. Again, going to be Joey Bart on that one. That's a repeat from last case. Again, guys, we've been pulling pretty good from these. At least I think so, man. I mean, we've had some very solid hits our last couple cases. I'm hoping it's going to continue for you with this case, guys. Call out your keeps, guys. Well, that's going to Pat. Well, I'm very sorry everybody else, folks. Pat, gonna take that one. Dog taking the Griffith. That is gonna wrap up that 2-boxer, folks. Y'all have a wonderful night.